Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. We have another episode review of Uthando Nesthembu. So we saw in yesterday's episode that Umthombeni decided to go and see Inkosi yakwaMadlala. So he went there to tell Inkosi ingxaki zakhe because he feels like Inkosi has been playing the role of being a father in his life ever since his parents were still alive, which is uGokflo and his mother uJoyce. So uyatsho how the chief has always been worried about him even when he was unemployed. Inkosi soloko worried about Umthombeni. So he felt like the only person that abafazi bakhe would listen to about this whole situation akuyo kaMakhwela, it would be the chief Inkosi. So he came here and told him everything about how he decided to take a fifth wife because he had promised his wives that he'd buy them houses in the suburbs, and he has done that. And because now KwaMseleku it's left like empty, there's no one there, he decided to take a fifth wife so that indlu ingavalwa ihlale ivulekile because there'd be a new wife. You see, now he's changing why he took uMakhwela. Kwabanye abantu uthi he decided to take number 5 so that azomzalela abantwana to try and close isikhewu esikaMakhumalo of not being able to have children. Now kwinkosi uthi uthathe u-fifth wife because he didn't want umzi kaFlo to be left empty when all the wives moved to their new houses. So inkosi kuyatsho no, that's how polygamy is. Of course, there's going to be a retaliation when he takes a new wife, but he knows that as the years go by, they'll finally accept uMakhwela and all that. And ke Umthombeni ayatsho no umnikeza ithemba, so he feels as if like as the time goes by, they'll eventually accept uMakhwela. So now he also talks about the fact that they now have a child with uMakhwela. It's not even about him now wanting uMakhwela to go kwaGokflo kuhlale kubekho umuntu. He also wants umntwana wakhe uMethu to be welcomed emagcekeni kwaMseleku. So now unalento yoba uMangwabe lo unengane outside before she got married should be the one understand this whole situation, because she should feel that naye uMseleku umyekile ahlale nengane yakhe emzini kaMseleku othengwe nguMseleku. So why now is she stopping uMethu to angakwazi yakokwabo? So uyasho uba if bekhulise kakuhle uMangwabe should consider that, but clearly akakhuliswa kakuhle. But then nyani ke uyasho uba uzawucela ayethetha nabafazi bakhe. I don't know when, and I don't think it will make any difference, the fact that uzodabiza inkosi. They are not married to the chief Mos. They are married to Umseleku. So whatever the chief has to say doesn't really have anything to do with imitshato yabo with Umseleku. Of course, that's one I understand but that won't change their mind. But thank you. We also saw Umseleku went to meet up with Usamke, who is Makhumalo's sister. So Usamke requested this meeting because she wanted to talk to Umthombeni about the things that he was saying last season. You know, last season he was saying a lot of things about Uthobile failing, not being able to do what she was brought here to do, KwaMseleku. Instead, she's focusing on other things, which is more like she's compensating for le part angakwazanga uyenza. So Usamke wanted clarity on that, on what he actually meant, and how could he even say those things on television. But no, Umseleku, he changed and switched up the story, but no, he didn't mean that. Of course, Makhumalo kanga fail when it comes to bearing children. And it's the fact that she failed in supporting him when he wanted to take another wife, of which Yonando and not to be his support structure. So now, if she cannot do that part, I'm supported and the decisions that he wants to take, then she is failing. Now, Usamke Mlungisi, no, even nalento fertility, we cannot act as if Uthobile has never fallen pregnant. She has fallen pregnant multiple times, we know that. But Umseleku is running away from all of this. And to me, it's more like he doesn't want to talk about it, the fact that Makhumalo has fallen pregnant before, and there's these allegations that she had a child before she married into the Mseleku household. So the speculations So I think he's trying to run away from that. Who knows? Maybe he was the father. It's alleged. We don't know. But he was really running away from that conversation when Usamke was trying to bring it up. But she did try and push Basive, and we found out that Makhumalo Reyes really had a child that passed away, and she had several miscarriages. And the last pregnancy, she lost the pregnancy at 5 months. So yeah, sure, that was very painful for everyone, like everyone in the family. And I could imagine most mothers, when you pass the first trimester, you are considered to be in the safer zone. So I don't think she would have ever thought that she would lose the baby at 5 months. I'm sure that was very traumatic, and so no wonder she is so emotional about into zabantwana. And we also found out something. Hey, I don't know why it was Mseleko's plan when he was doing this. So yeah, Chukutim, ever since Umakhumalo was married to the family, there have been 5 children that have been born there. And every time a wife would fall pregnant, he would go and tell Umakhumalo, I suspecting that Ubanban is pregnant. Like, why would you do that, knowing that it's such a sensitive topic to this person, but every time you otherwise are pregnant, you run to this person? What was the whole point of that? What was the purpose? To me, it's as if he just wanted to rub it in her face. But look, abanye abantwana benza ntoni, something that you are failing to do. So he tried to justify it with ngendlela engavakaliyo. It was whatever. And then we also saw Samke and Macele. They met up for dinner, and Samke obviously asked ukuthi, yeah, so I met with ubaba kaMethu, and I tried to ask him about into yamalobolo, the family, when are they going back to finish up ilobola? But he said, I must ask you, you're the only one who has the right to ask him that. But uyatsho uMacele kwi-diaries, but hey, akayazi yena ungena in this situation, because she's not the one who is supposed to be answering these things, zinto zikaMseleku. But she feels as if uMseleku was just caught engalindelanga, and then obviously used uMacele as a scapegoat sakhe. So uyasho ke uMacele kuSamke, but no, I don't know anything about that. But the last time he spoke about this thing, wayethe engathi ufuna uwamisa amalobolo and try and fix this whole mess that he is in with the other wives, like try and fix his imishado yakhe with the other wives. And uSamke obviously was not impressed by that, because it's alleged that she also has a second baby or is pregnant. So obviously having 2 kids and then kumisoma lobolo, what is that? What is that? When the plan was ba uzongshada, then we have children. But it happened that she fell pregnant before the lobola was, everything was sorted out. So now she even had a second child, and then bekwindaba zokuthi no, ima kancane sisi ingathi siyawamisa amalobolo. That time uMseleku was aging, indoda yakhe go 50 something. So uzomthatha nini? Umthatha xa ngaphi 60. When is she ever going to move in pha kweza yellow houses? So uzosoloko ehlala kokwabo ekhulisa izingane zakhe kokwabo? How? But a lot of people are saying she should just let this thing go, be like Ulachongo. It also happened Kulasi. Naye, she was promised marriage, it never happened, she gave birth, but she used that to her advantage. She is living off this thing now, being known Gendoba Jacob Zuma. And she's making money alone. She was also even featured in Real Housewives, all because she was married, or she was promised marriage by the former president. Now Samke could use that to her advantage. Angangena no Mommy Club, angangena like any other show, but Mommy Club, I don't think she'd fit in there. Those ladies have money and she doesn't. But Ulasi yena wangena, even though she couldn't afford the lifestyle. Real Housewives, even though Lassie managed to fit in Real Housewives, she decided to rent out a place. But most scenes were never shot inside her apartment. We never saw her inside her apartment. I think we only saw her twice in her apartment, if I'm not mistaken. All the other times she was out on dates or at the other ladies' houses. So Nosamke angayenza lonto and just make money out of this whole situation, instead of waiting for Umtombeni I sorted out issues zakhe nabafazi bakhe, then amtshade. What if he doesn't? What if it takes 5-6 years? During those years, uzobe eme phi yena? Like, where does she stand in all of that? But yeah, guys, we're gonna see on today's episode what happens, and then I'll come back again, do another review. Do tell me your thoughts in the comment section down below, and please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.